If you love architecture that performs as beautifully as it looks, welcome to the Banks Estate, built by Landon Miller Homes and designed by Punch Architecture. So here's a quick recap of what happened last month.
We wrapped the exterior stucco, kicked off the clear coat, and completed the rough-ins, HVAC, plumbing, electrical, low voltage, and fire sprinklers towards inspections. Cabinetry is tightly sequenced, floors were ordered, bull top installed, and moved into position.
Here's this month's update.
Where elegance meets engineering. Here we are in the driveway leading up to the subterranean garage.
This whole wall will have stonework climbing up to the exterior stucco, and you don't really see basements in Las Vegas. So the engineering team put together a discreet safety net with a dedicated sump pump at the base of the driveway. Right now, we're below grade, which is totaling about 4,000 square feet. You have a 2,700 square foot subterranean garage, and the media room is 1,300 square feet. So between the subterranean and the day garage, you could house up to 14 cars.
And they're thinking of some type of sculptural display for the cars, kind of like a Lazy Susan, but more glamorous for cars, and just to make sure there's easy egress. In the media room, they are finalizing the visual strategy, either a 150-inch TV or 4 coordinated displays. For either way, the infrastructure is already in and ready to go.
I want to orient you. This is the front door. So we're at the entryway. There's going to be a beautiful pivot door right here. And as we make our way, you'll have this featured stone wall from the bottom to the top, and it's anchoring this massive floating staircase.
The electrical has been prepped for the statement chandelier. Lighting has been integrated into the architecture, so this is not an afterthought. Throughout this house, every window has concealed pockets for motorized shades.
No boxes, no valances, so that you have clear sight lines that don't impact the view.
And we just want to say a huge thank you to Landon Miller's team, especially Jason Daly.
Jason has been instrumental in helping us do these monthly videos for you.
And this month's featured spotlight is the primary suite tub.
So as we make our way to the primary bedroom, I want you to picture this, a gorgeous bathtub right here, framing these views. This skyline is your art. Here's what's coming up next. They're insulating walls, hanging drywall, bull top cabinets should be here, and the flooring will be revealed.
Stay tuned for next month's update and our featured spotlight. And if there's anything you want to see, let us know.